Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're talking SIDU, Sidus Space, SIDU, ticker symbol. Got some news for you sent in by one of our members. If you're a member of our channel, we can feature your favorite stock and have you on the show and whatever it is you like. And this information has just been sent in. And I want to thank John Grant for very much indeed for that. Tap the like button if you'd like to know the SIDU news, Sidus Space. What's it all about? If you tap the like button, if you haven't, you just will not be able to proceed. You believe that? Yeah. If you haven't pressed it, it just stops. All right. Sidus Space and Nemesis Bahrain sign MOU to establish Sidus Arabia JV headquartered in Saudi Arabia to develop a state-of-the-art 3D printing satellite manufacturing facility. Okay, this has just come out. What's it all about? So we've got Sidus Space, a provider of end-to-end precision space infrastructure solutions that include satellite data as a service on its proprietary orbiting platform, announced today the execution of a memo to understanding MOU outlining its collaboration with Nemesis, a multidisciplinary technology and electronic security consultancy for the establishment of a joint venture with a mission to build, own and operate a satellite manufacturing production assembly and integration facility in the Middle East supporting Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, I beg your pardon, countries and beyond. The MOU outlines that parties intend to serve and fulfill the needs and requirements of government and private clients across the Middle East and North Africa, MENA region, while sharing a unified mission of fostering science and technology development with multiple value propositions. The initial scope of this rewarding collaboration will center attention on exploring opportunities for sustained access to space for the GCC countries through the establishment of satellite manufacturing and space-based data collection. This important and accreditive relationship is the cornerstone for launching our satellite operations and on-orbit services into the GCC region. The immediate benefits for our technology and services to the Gulf states are a game changer for both the Middle East and Sidus Space, said Carol Craig, founder and CEO of Sidus Space. Disappointed with Carol King. She'd never responded for an interview. And she only seems to give interviews by friends of hers who are musicians. I thought she'd talk to me being the world piano man, but she never responded. Bit of a shame there. The recent advances in 3D printing, specifically in manufacturing lightweight, complex designs for the space industry, will definitely serve as the catalyst in bringing the GCC regions closer to par with the leaders in the industry, said Manhal Al-Kasai, CEO of Nemesis. Under the guidance and support of a technical JV partners such as Sidus Space, we are confident that we made the right choice. Good stuff. Thank you, John Granfor, for sending that in. Sidus Space. We've got just a moment, so what we'll do, we'll take a closer look at SIDU. Let's have a look at the financials of the business just for a moment. Give it a mini analysis, if you like. Let's have a look here. No meaningful market cap, so it's hard to value this business. We're at 228, and we're saying that the base case, 414, that would make it 46% undervalue. It's not completely accurate as they don't have DCF. It doesn't use DCF, but there you go. Now you can see the revenue has dipped down 20%, but we're expecting that to increase. Operating income down 7%, pretty much flat. Net income pretty much flat. Not a great deal to say about this right now, is there? 25 million, very, very small company. It's crazy that Carol never responded to us because it's small enough that we can move this stock. And we did at one point. You may remember that Martini Racer bought like 10% of the company. Anyway, 25.4 million in assets, 8 million in liabilities, 6 million is in cash. They've got a bit of money in cash, 8.2 million in liabilities, no long-term debt, just short-term debt. So their balance sheet isn't too bad, is it? Margins aren't great though. They're losing money on everything basically and getting worse. We have an 18% profitability score, not good at all. As you can see, everything's pretty negative. But the balance sheet, like I said, 48%. They've got a bit of cash. They haven't got any debt. They're okay. But look at Wall Street. Worst case scenario, 349% upside. 353, 367. Look at that. Huge potential upside. Wall Street targets. Interesting. No one buying, no one selling inside the company. Short interest, only 6.25%, 6.4, nothing there. You can see my reviews. I'm the only one really talking about it. As you can see, there's all the news going out, look, on Sidus Space. What about sentiment? Last 90 days, 37%. Last 30 days, 44%. Last 7 days, 50%. And today, no news today, but positive sentiment, improving. Nothing negative to say. Not a great deal to say about anything. So we've had a bit of news today. I'd say it's relatively positive. Potentially now we've got a undervaluation, potential good growth. What do you think? Sidus Space, you can buy the whole company now. Let's scroll down. The market cap is, the market cap and price to earnings ratio is negative 14 cents. The market cap, hang on a minute, where am I? 82 employees. Market cap, 1.85 million. Bloody hell, I could buy the whole thing myself. There you go. Should we buy it? 1.85 million. That's all this company is. A very, very small company. Earnings expected August 12th. If any of my members want me to super chat that, super chat me and book me in for an earnings, I can cover it for you. Expected August 12th. Earnings moving up. Expected to do much better. Still negative, but getting much more like it. What do you think? An opportunity? You tell me. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll put my full alpha spread review list. I've done lots of reviews on this. This was a kind of mini analysis with a bit of news. And down here, I'll put Sidus Space, so you can go and check out all the history of our videos that we've done on Sidus Space. There you go. That was sent in by John Granforth. Thank you very much indeed. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.